Okay, go to designkit.org/methods, and we can filter the methods by inspiration, ideation, and implementation. So we're up to the implementation stage. View by question. Scroll down until we get the little green tile, and we can use these three key questions to see how we're going. So how do I assess if my solution is working? We click on that, and we can click on this tile here, for example, sit down with your team and map out what success looks like. So just some milestones. So this is how we're going to be defining our success and how we're going to measure and evaluate our goals that we've set out, or our big question that we're working towards. How do I make my concept real? So live prototyping. So this gives us a little bit of an overview about how we can live prototype. Most importantly, as always, capture feedback from the people you're designing for, so put into real life. And we can also pilot. So a pilot's more long-term for how we're going to go about it. And we can actually have a little bit of a look at the video down the bottom there also.